आज का कलेक्शन में जो है ना, दिस लुक दिस geode stone, it is finding of the river side. It is so different. You just like this amethyst. It is geode, but this is very low quality stones. You look this front side and this back side. It be a and one more stones in here with this. Look this is a, it's the blood moon stones. Look this stone sign, the blood moon stone. It was so different all the old stone about these stones, and these stones more quality. This quality sign, this look this bloodstone and moonstones. It was mixed that be foundable stones like this.